Then we have to find the integration of x minus 1 upon x to the power 2 by 3 plus x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1. So what we will do, we will write the formula for x minus 1, that can be written as x to the power 1 by 3 to the whole cube minus of 1 by 1 to the power 1 by 3 to the whole cube. We will use the formula of a cube minus b cube, and that can be written as x to the power 1 by 3 minus of 1, and then you will write the value as x to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 plus x to the power 1 by 3. And in denominator you will write x to the power 2 by 3, x to the power 1 by 3 plus of 1. So you can cancel this value and you will get the value as integration of x to the power 1 by 3 minus of integration of 1 into dx. So integration of 1 by 3 plus 1 I will write, 1 by 3 plus 1 I will write, and integration of 1 into dx, that is equal to x plus c. So you will get the value as x to the power 4 by 3, and here you will write 4 by 3 minus of x plus of c. So that is equal to 3 by 4 x to the power 4 by 3 minus of x plus of c. So this is the answer that you will get.